Have you ever wanted to start a faceless YouTube channel but didn't know where to start? Welcome to Debt Busters. In today's video, we'll reveal the secret formula for earning a whopping $700 daily. Prepare to be mesmerized by the beautiful world of no-face videos as we walk you through the research, methods, and approaches that will revolutionize your YouTube journey. Remember that success is within your reach if you are prepared to put in the time, effort, and attention to make it happen. So buckle up, immerse yourself in information, and join us on this exciting voyage. It's time to make your YouTube ambitions a reality. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and click the notification bell. If you subscribe and comment, "I subscribed," you'll be sure to get a reply from me. We have the key to unlocking the potential of your channel, and it all begins with a simple question. What kind of no-face channel should you start? That's for you to decide. I like to encourage people to find a topic they can make 100 videos about without getting bored. It can be anything. Take airplanes, for example. Here's a channel called Simply Aviation. Obviously, the channel just talks about airplanes. Simply Aviation's most popular video has 6.9 million views. If we go to Social Blade, we can see that the channel receives 2.2 million views a month and receives an estimated $575 to $9,200 a month. However, longtime viewers of this channel know that this figure is incorrect. Social Blade uses a CPM range of 25 cents to $4 per 1,000 views. Our research suggests the historical CPM of the aviation niche is between $4 at a minimum to as much as $20 per 1,000 views. This indicates that Simply Aviation could be earning between $9,200 to a whopping $44,000 a month. That's over $1,460 per day. You may be thinking to yourself that those numbers are great, but you have no idea how to build a channel and earn that income for yourself. If that sounds like you, we've got you covered. We'll reveal 3 simple ways to help you start the best channel you can. The first step is to keep things simple. Starting your channel should be simple. There is no need for intricate setups or expensive production equipment. We'll walk you through the process so you can focus on what matters, crafting great content. Moving on to the second step, automation. Consider a model that almost runs itself, freeing up your time to pursue other interests or expand your YouTube empire. We'll take you through tried and true methods that will enable you to automate critical areas of your channel, increasing productivity and expanding your chances of success. Finally, step 3 is about time efficiency. We understand how valuable your time is, so we'll assist you in creating captivating videos without sacrificing hours on end. The unique strategies and streamlined procedures we will show you will ensure your channel grows despite your tight schedule. Prepare to enter a world of inspiration and discovery as we reveal a technique that will launch you to greatness. The initial stage in your journey is to seek out the top performing channels within your niche. These colossal conduits contain the insight and prosperity you seek. Take a deep breath and immerse yourself in their enthralling content. Pay close attention now because the magic truly begins in the next stage. These massive channels provide a treasure trove of knowledge, their most popular videos. They sparkle like beacons, attracting crowds and capturing their attention. It's time to sort through the most popular and find the hidden gold nuggets. Something spectacular happens when you go deeper. Patterns emerge, common themes that run through these successful videos, and therein lies the true secret. Take at least 10 interesting titles from each of these performing channels. Why 10, you might ask? Because these videos have the potential to catalyze the growth of your channel. But here's the catch. We're not telling you to copy these videos verbatim. Let your creativity go wild with these titles. Create one-of-a-kind videos that capture the essence of these popular projects while infusing them with your uniqueness. Stand out from the crowd by creating a truly distinctive channel. Let's take a simpler approach to explain how to use the baseline average to select high-performing videos for your channel. Evaluating the performance of the latest videos in your niche is critical as you study them. Calculating the baseline average is one method. Simply add up the total views of the videos you've chosen and divide the total by the number of videos you've chosen. This calculation yields an average view count that can be used as a starting point. Now comes the important part. Look for a video within your selection with more views than the average. This shows that viewers receive the video well, implying that similar content could perform well on your channel. But remember that it's not about blindly replicating the chosen video. Instead, utilize it as a starting point for creating your original material. Infuse your personality, style, and imagination into the subject to make it uniquely yours. Doing so will attract and engage your audience in a way that distinguishes you from the competition. Let's peek at YouTube's Creative Vault, where the power of suggestion ignites a flame of inspiration like never before. We're about to reveal a game-changing approach to propel your channel to new heights, the enthralling realm of auto-suggest. Consider this. You're sitting at your keyboard, the doorway to infinite options. Something spectacular happens as you type your YouTube search term. The auto-suggest tool reveals a captivating assortment of suggested search terms. These aren't just random words, they're a glimpse into millions of viewers' collective thoughts and interests. This is when the real journey begins. Accept the enticing suggestions that appear before your eyes. They contain the key to a goldmine of video ideas waiting to be discovered. YouTube gives you a front-row ticket to your audience's pulse, directing you to the material they want the most. With these suggestions in hand, you have a treasure map of limitless video possibilities. Investigate, reinvent, and design enticing titles that will entice viewers to click and immerse themselves in your content. Each suggestion is like a magical thread, constructing a story that resonates deeply with your audience. But here's the greatest part. This technique isn't limited to a single video. There are a plethora of ideas waiting to ignite your creative fire. If you dig deeper into the suggestions, you'll find many captivating ideas to keep your channel excited. Prepare to enter the exciting world of script creation, where artificial intelligence meets your creative vision. We will reveal a revolutionary technique that will forever change how you write scripts. Prepare to exploit ChatGPT's incredible capabilities and open a world of unlimited possibilities. The magic happens here. Assume you've created a wonderful title such as Top 5 Best AI Video Generators. It's now time to put ChatGPT to work. Prompt this amazing AI language model with your title and watch as it weaves its magic, generating a script that exactly corresponds with your concept. Time is of the essence in this creative journey. So, when you prompt ChatGPT, provide the length of your script. Whether a brief fragment or a lengthy masterpiece, ChatGPT AI is available. Let us now dig into the art of refining. If a section of your script feels too short, don't worry. You can elicit even more greatness from ChatGPT. Simply copy and paste that part back into the AI's domain to get it to expand on your request. It's as if you're pouring life into your words, turning a spark into a raging blaze. When you've perfected your script, it's time to protect its radiance. Paste it into a secure word processor such as Google Docs. By the way, I'm not sure if it's for you, but if you know someone who's interested in growing their channel and dominating YouTube, use my link in the description to try an absolutely free YouTube course that can grow your channel from $0 to $10,000 in profit on YouTube without showing your face, using your own voice, or making videos at all. Let's look at how your script can be transformed into a compelling visual masterpiece as we explore the magical world of Pictory's text-to-video function. It's time to bring your thoughts to life and immerse your audience in an unforgettable audio-visual experience. The adventure begins here. It's time to use Pictory AI to take your video creation to the next level. Use my link in the description to create a free account on the Pictory AI website and embark on an extraordinary voyage of transforming your long-form content into highly shareable branded videos. Consider the combined power of ChatGPT and Pictory AI, unlimited AI videos at your fingertips. It's like having a creative genie at your disposal, ready to transform your thoughts into gorgeous visuals. You can even get started without a credit card. It's a simple, painless operation that opens up possibilities. Pictory AI gives an excellent video making tool and chat assistance to help you at every step of the process. If you have a question, require assistance, or want to explore new features, their courteous support team is available. With Pictory's text-to-video capability, you can fascinate your audience. Allow your script to serve as the foundation, where words meet visuals and ideas come to life. Pictory enables you to create videos with enduring effects, from intriguing animations to dramatic transitions. Ready to take your video to the next level? Pictory has the ideal plans for you. Standard, $19 per month for beginners and aspiring creators. You'll receive 30 videos, 10-minute text-to-video projects, and many personalization possibilities. It's a great deal. Premium, upgrade to Pro for $39 per month. Take advantage of 60 videos, 20-minute text-to-video projects, and features such as automatic voiceover sync and video highlights. Plus, Hootsuite integration for other power. Teams, calling all lovers of teamwork. Get 90 videos and 30-minute projects and work effortlessly with your crew for $99 monthly. Sharing configurable templates and a vast 15,000 track library. Teamwork simplified. All said and done, select a template that appeals to your creativity. With many alternatives at your disposal, choose the one that best represents your vision and sets the tone for your video's grand launch. Once chosen, you will be directed to a magical website where your script will be placed properly. Remember that fantastic script you created with ChatGPT? It's time to show off its greatness. Copy and paste your script from your word processor into the supplied section. Watch how Pictory magic takes over, automatically creating storyboard scenes that match the core of your script. The importance of one's voice cannot be overstated. Navigate to the editor area and select the voiceover option. I've never been particularly happy with Pictory's text-to-speech, but it is serviceable, especially if you're trying to limit how much you spend on software subscriptions. If you're interested in an AI voice software that truly gives you more bang for your buck, consider trying Play HT using my link in the description. Still, you can use Pictory to explore the possibilities on the left side to find the perfect voice for your narration. Allow the voiceover to add depth and passion to your pictures, immersing your audience in an engaging auditory experience. After fine-tuning the voiceover settings, click the magical Generate Voiceover button. But wait, we're not going to stop at one scene. Choose to add voiceover to all scenes for a seamless narration that enhances every occasion. Oh, and don't forget to change the music in the background so that the voiceover shines through like a beacon of clarity. Feel free to explore the photos or video tabs to enhance your scenery further. And don't forget to look through the music tab to find the fitting audio accompaniment. Customization is essential for ensuring every element syncs with your creative vision. Now that everything is in its proper place, it's time for the grand finale. Click that magical button once again to see your video creation come to life. Pictory works its magic, transforming your idea into a visually appealing masterpiece. Select the chosen resolution as an MP4 file and prepare to be amazed by the end result. Finally, submitting your video masterpiece to your YouTube channel has come. Share your masterpiece with the world with a heart full of joy and watch as your channel develops into a hub of creativity and inspiration. You can inspire, entertain, and influence lives from the depths of anonymity. Accept the simplicity, commit to the process, and watch your dreams come true. You can make $700 per day if you work hard enough. In this world of limitless possibilities, the process could not be easier. Maintain your dedication to your goal, embrace the power of your content, and watch as your YouTube empire grows. Try Pictory for free using my link in the description. Use code DEBTBUSTERS to save 30% on your subscription. Premium options are available for individuals looking to soar even higher, with sophisticated features that can boost your success. I know you're tired of watching countless faceless YouTube videos like this, trying to figure out how to make a channel and make money online. However, the truth is that it can take several years just to produce a single successful video if you're trying to learn YouTube through trial and error. But if you prefer a more active approach to learning how to make money online, where you can make $10,000 per month or more with YouTube Cash Cow channels, then you don't want to miss this exclusive offer. Our friend Matt Parr has put together a 100% free course that teaches you his secret growth tactics for making up to $30,000 each month online. And for a limited time, he's offering an exclusive upsell to his course. With this course, you'll get access to even more advanced strategies and techniques for maximizing your YouTube earnings. You'll learn how to create and monetize multiple cash cow channels, how to optimize your videos for maximum views and revenue, and much more. Don't miss this opportunity to take your YouTube success to the next level. Click the link below to learn more and sign up for the upsell now. You'll be glad you did. Now you know to make $700 per day, posting no-face videos on YouTube. That, however, won't help you if you're interested in knowing about the Best Animation Maker 2023. Watch the video on your screen if you really want to know about the Best Animation Maker 2023. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.